Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Skill Coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys on this. Okay, I just want to update the strategy I posted yesterday. Okay, because I got a lot of good comments concerning the strategy, and at the same time I also got some questions about entries in the for the strategy. Okay, so when I noticed that the entry messages were so much, a lot of people kept on asking me, hey team, when do we really enter? When is the right time to enter? Okay, so I had to recalculate and reanalyze the strategy. Okay, and now I've come up with something new. Okay, I've been test running it lately and it's been working fine. So I just want to show you guys exactly how it works. Okay, so you need to add some new indicators into it. Okay, before we proceed, if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release awesome videos like this. Alright, so hit the subscribe button now, turn the notification bell on. Great, if you've done that, thank you very much, so you will not miss out whenever I release strategies. Okay, so yesterday I added the we had the relative strength index, we had the Bollinger Band, and we also had the moving average, and today I have added a new indicator, the Ichimoku. Okay, already I was using the strategy the way I taught you guys yesterday, and that's why if you notice currently I'm on a trade and currently making $10, as you can see, and still increasing gradually. Okay, so the strategy is really wonderful, but now I want to put the entry confirmation in order, because a lot of traders are scared to trade. Some of them, when they put in a trade and they notice a little reversal, all right, out of fear they take off the trade and give money to the broker, which is not meant to be. So I want to put things here in order. All right, so the right time to the perfect time to enter, all right, is number one. Okay, number one, when you notice the trend, the yellow moving average has gotten to the oversold level and has curved downward. Not when it has touched you enter, no, because most times when it has touched, it might still want to be going up, and that's when you notice. Okay, that's why if you observe, okay, if you observe, you can see a trade like this. I need a typical example. You can see a trade like this. It has touched the oversold level and you'd be like, wow, it has touched, and only for you to push it forward, you notice that there's still some naughty movements there. Okay, so exactly as it is, that's how it also is at this point. Whenever the yellow moving average gets to this oversold level, don't just enter, allow it to curve. So now I have added a new level 80, which means allow it to curve down and pass level 80, plus allow the Ichimoku to cross over the trade like this. As you can see, it has just crossed over. At this junction is the right time to take your entry, all right, as it has crossed over, and at the same time this other Ichimoku here has crossed over. Is the right time to take your entry. If you notice now, I'm in the powerful profits. Okay, I'm on a low lot size already, so I just didn't want to take much. So that's that for that, guys. All right, so allow the trade to curve downward, cross over level 80, and let the Ichimoku cross over the trade. Okay, sometimes the Ichimoku might cross over the trade before the level 80. I still allow it to curve down and pass level 80 before you enter your trade. As you can see, the moment it crossed the Ichimoku, it started moving with a powerful downtrend. All right, but that does not mean there will not be retracements. Okay, that does not mean there will not be reversals. Okay, if you look in the 1 minute time frame, you would notice the little reversals here. Okay, you would notice all these little reversals. So back to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so when the Ichimoku crosses over, you place your sell. Before you place your sell, make sure this one also has crossed over, because this one at times do cross over before this one, and sometimes this one crosses over before this one. So make sure the two has crossed over, even no matter how little it has crossed over. Okay, once the other one has also done the same thing, you are good to sell. Do you understand, guys? So so that's that for that. Let's take a quick back test. If you notice, when the trade got to the oversold level and curved upward, came out of level 20, all right, came out of level 20, you notice that the Ichimoku line crossed over before the level 20, but don't take your buy yet till it crosses out of level 20. When it crosses out of level 20, it's trying to quote to you that yes, I'm fully ready to move on. Okay, but don't get it twisted. That does not mean that sometimes it might not still want to go back to retest. All right, no strategy is perfect. This is forex. Okay, so we just use our little ideas to build what we can build to win. Do you understand me, guys? That is why I always advise you, make sure you test run on your demo account severally. Okay, make sure you test run on your demo account severally, and even if you're trading on your real account, make sure you remain on a low lot size. All right, as you can see, I'm $19 here with the lowest lot size of volatility 50. All right, that's the lowest lot size of volatility 50. Okay, and I'm running a trade confidently because I know that this trade will have to come down. All right, it has to do what? Calm down. Let me add something. Wait, 50. Okay, 50. So there's every tendency that this line would, when it gets to level 50, it might want to retrace. Okay, if you notice, most times at this level it always wants to make some little retracements. So you just need to be alert and a bit careful. Okay, don't put the trade and leave it and say the strategy says it has to get down and you leave it. I'm sorry for you. If it makes a retracement and pushes back forward, up, your account is in trouble. So make sure you're at alert. Okay, so make sure, just remove the fear from your mind and trade. Okay, that's why you have your demo. Your demo enables you learn, practice. All right, get confident with it. So don't fear while trading the forex market. Don't fear while trading the forex market. Okay, so I hope that was helpful to you guys. Make sure you join our Telegram channel. Make sure you join our Telegram channel. All right, we are now 469 people, gradually growing. All right, you will learn a lot if you are in this channel. All right, so many things I ought to teach people on as a VIP. I teach it here online because I want to help a lot of people. Okay, I want to help a lot of people. Okay, I want to empower so many. So that's why you notice a lot of things go on in this free channel. A lot of things go on, signals, trainings, strategies, a lot of things go on in this channel. Make sure you don't miss this. Okay, and at the same time, make sure you join my Instagram page, because I do post signals, I do post strategies there also. Okay, so make sure you join, be part of it. All right, so guys, I hope this strategy works fine for you, and if you're enjoying it, you can always give me a thumbs up in the video, give me a nice comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Okay, so here is the settings again. All right, the Ichimoku, okay, which is the new indicator I just added. Ichimoku, the Tenkan San is 20, Kijun San is 20, Sanko Span B is 52. Okay, so you can use whichever color you like. But just make sure these remaining three down here are the color of your background. Okay, so like me, I'm using pink. All right, then you click done. So On the indicator window 1, we have the Ichimoku, which I added also to be 17. The Kijun San 17. The second span B is 52, and the same color format. Okay, I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm not going to give you the setting for this one because I've done it already on the previous video. If you need it, just go to the previous video, or I'll drop the link on the description so you just get it. Okay, what I updated in the relative strength index is okay, 14 period typical price. Okay, on the relative strength index is 80, 20, 95, 10, 500, 150. Okay, you can just put some words like over here I wrote you can sell from here, you can buy from here. That's when it has crossed that level 20 line. Okay, then here is overbought, oversold, and that's that for that. Okay, let me just give you at once everything. Bollinger Band, we have Bollinger Band to be 31, 1.719. okay, shift 0, weighted close, no level, whites. Okay, then we have the moving average we have is 5, 0 shift as shift, simple, close, yellow. Click on done. We have the moving average here to be moving average 200. We use this to identify the trend. Okay, so that's that for that, guys. All right, so that's that for that.